How to migrate a website to Kinsta here on your PC or anything step by step in this video. Kinsta offers free expert migrations for many type of website plus tools for manual or plugin assisted transfer. Step 1 is sign up and create a site on Kinsta. Go to thekinsta.com and sign up in the My Kinsta dashboard. Click add site. Choose either install fresh WordPress site. Don't install WordPress for manual migrations. Then choose a migration method. You have two main options. Option A is request a free migration, recommended. In My Kinsta, go to migrations, then request migration. Fill in the details about your current host. Kinsta support team will handle the rest. No downtime works best for sites on hosts like SiteGround, Bluehost, WP Engine or Flywheel, etc. Option B is migrate manually or with a plugin. Use this if you prefer DEY or host does not qualify for a free migration. Option 1 is use the Kinsta APM plugin Dev Kinsta. Install DAV Kinsta, Kinsta's local development tool. Import your site locally. Push it live to your Kinsta site and then use a migration plugin like All-in WP Migration. Install plugin on your current site. Export the full site as WPress file. Go to your new Kinsta WordPress install the same plugin and import the file there. Step 3 is update DNS to point out to Kinsta. Once your site is on Kinsta, in My Kinsta, click on your site, domains, add your custom domain here. Update your DNS record at your registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. A record that is Kinsta IP address, CNAME for www optional. DNS changes can take about 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate. Enable SSL and HTTPS. Go to Sites, Your Site and Tool. Click Enable SSL and force HTTPS redirect under redirects if needed. Step 5 is test your site. Use Kinsta's temporary URL to preview before switching to DNS. This is the video. Thanks so much for watching it.